Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 26, 2024, featuring Orion's return to the morning sky. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:15 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Orion the Hunter is returning to the pre-dawn morning sky. The famous pattern is in the southern sky during winter evenings. After disappearing into western evening twilight, the stately star pattern returns before sunrise. Here's how you find it. Look for Jupiter, the brightest star-like body in the sky this morning, about 1/3 of the way from the eastern horizon to overhead. The planet slowly moves in front of Taurus, 5.7 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left, the bull's brightest star. Orion is below Jupiter and the bull's eye. Bellatrix, one of the shoulders, is less than 10 degrees above the east cardinal direction. Betelgeuse, the Hunter's other shoulder, is over 7 degrees to Bellatrix's lower left. Orion's knee, Rigel, is near its first morning appearance. Its blue tint may easily show through the reds and oranges of dawn's early light. Use a binocular. Orion's 3 belt stars are between Betelgeuse and Rigel. Use a binocular to see them. Each morning the pattern is higher in the sky. Another brighter star, Saiph, marking the other knee, makes its first morning appearance in about a week. In addition to Jupiter, Mars is in the region. It marches eastward in front of the bull, 9.5 degrees to Jupiter's upper right and 5.9 degrees below the Pleiades star cluster, muted by this morning's bright moonlight. Mars overtakes and passes Jupiter during mid-August. The moon is farther westward, over 50 degrees up in the south-southeast and over 20 degrees to Saturn's upper left. The stars Fomalhaut and Deneb Kaitos are below Saturn and the moon. In the evening sky, Mercury is challenging to see after its recent evening appearance. Dimming as it overtakes our planet, the speedy world plunges into bright twilight. It passes between Earth and Sun on August 18, moving into the eastern pre-dawn sky for its best morning appearance, reaching greatest elongation on September 4. On that morning, it is nearly 8 degrees above the horizon at 45 minutes before sunrise. Venus continues a slow entry in the western evening sky. While it is nearly 15 degrees from the Sun, it is only 2 degrees above the horizon at 30 minutes after sundown. It is a little higher at month's end. Venus visibility suffers from a poorly inclined ecliptic with the western horizon, meaning the solar system's plane makes a low angle with the horizon. Planets can appear far from the Sun, but they are very low in the sky after sundown. Saturn rises less than 2 hours after the Sun. An hour later, it is over 10 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. This is about the time of moonrise. As the midnight hour approaches for sky watchers in the eastern regions of Western Hemisphere time zones, the lunar orb, 60% illuminated, is less than 5 degrees above the eastern horizon. This view occurs after the new calendar day begins in western regions of time dividers. Tomorrow morning the moon, approaching its last quarter phase, is about midway from Saturn to Mars. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.